boy, I am too damn fine, baby. Yes, I'm Andrew, baby. Oh, yes, I'm Andrew. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I will be showing you how to get this cute. Tip on the subscribe button, share button, comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you at the end of the video.
So we first start with parting our hair. I part my hair on the right hand side. As you can see, the line is not really straight. It's like a C shaped or a curved line. So you can either do this on your left hand side or right hand side, depending on which side do you like or which side works for you. And then I open another C-shaped line, as you can see, and then I'm gonna make blocks. I'm using the hairline and edge holding gel from Isoplus that I got from Pep. I apply the gel on the base of my hair, and then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. So now, because I'm working with the front section here, I make sure not to pull too tightly to not mess up the hairline. And then I do the same thing also on the second block, and then I tie the first block and tie it up with the second block, and then I tie them up with my hairband. I got these rubber bands from Shein. I forgot how much I got them for, but it was quite cheap and they're quite strong compared to the rubber bands that I've been buying, and they break a lot. So these rubber bands didn't break at all throughout this hairstyle. I had the hairstyle on for a week. I could have had it longer, but my hair was just itchy and I wanted to wash it, so I just had it on for a week. But you definitely can have it on for longer. I did 3 blocks on the first line, so as you go up, your blocks are also gonna go up, and then when you get to almost the last line, your blocks are also gonna go down. So I'm just repeating the same thing that I did, opening the first block, putting the hair away so that it doesn't get detangled on the first block that I'm doing, and I tie it up with the rubber bands, and then I add the second block, tie it up also with the rubber band, joining it with the first block, and that is what I do throughout the hair that I've sectioned out. So it's pretty simple. This was my first time doing this hairstyle and it came out looking nice. So now we're focusing on the back section of the hair. I'm using the styling gel Isoplus that I also got from Pep. Isoplus products are really affordable. It's just that with this product you have to use a generous amount in order for your hair to lay down, because my hair is really thick. So I split it with some water and then applied the Isoplus styling gel, and then when I was done, this is my Bristol brush that I'm using. I got the brush from Take a Lot. Alright, so I'm applying the Isoplus hair edge gel on the hair because I'm going to be joining it with the back side of the bun that I just made. So me applying the hair edge just to make sure that the hair is sleeked down, and when I join it with the back side, or the back bun rather, it doesn't look bumpy. So make sure that you sleek down the hair before joining it with your back bun that you do should you make this hairstyle. Anyway, moving over to the front section, I spread some water onto my hair, and then I go over to apply the styling gel also. I work in sections on the front section because I want the hair to be sleeked down. I want it to be nice and smooth and laid down, so it's always best to work in sections. I could have done that also on the back, but I figured because I'm going to be using the Marley Kinky hair, so it won't really be showing much. There's no need for me to sleek it down a lot because it won't be showing much. So now I'm working in sections with the front side. I'm going to tie this, and then after tying it, I go over again to apply the Isoplus gel. Like I said, with this styling gel, you really gonna have to use a generous amount if you want your hair to slick down, especially if you have thick hair like mine. But the front section of my hair was stretched out because of the previous style that I had. So the front section was stretched out and the back section was not, so hence my hair looks uneven. But yeah, still, if you have thick hair, you're gonna have to use a generous amount when applying it for this hairstyle, or for your hair to be sleeked down. So I am just going to join everything together and tie it in a bun. So you're gonna see if you need to keep on adding the styling gel for your hair to lay down. You should be able to see if there are some parts that didn't get the amount of gel that it needed or something, but you'll see if you need to add, because I kept on adding just to make sure that it's all sleeked and laid down. And then afterwards I went ahead to do my edges. This is optional. I use the Isoplus edge control gel. It works, but only for a day, so you're gonna have to keep on redoing your edge as opposed to the got to be glue for edges. Anywho, I use the Marley Kinky hair as my ponytail. I got this from a local beauty store for I think 60 or 80, can't remember. So I'm gonna attach this onto my bun that I made. So when attaching it, I make sure that I'm attaching it from the top so that when I bring the hair back, it's going to cover my natural hair. This is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching if you made it this far, and I will see you guys on the next one. Please keep on watching for the end results. Bye.